Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solve printer offline issue on Windows PC or laptop. Open Windows settings. Click More Devices and Printer Settings. Right-click, see what's printing. Click Use Printer Offline. Click Cancel All Documents. Type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Change Print Spooler settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.